guys, I'm gonna do the empty house tour now, so I'm gonna kind of show you a little walkthrough of what it looks like. So as you're walking in, this is our living room. The flooring is beautiful. Just a staircase to go upstairs. Here's the kitchen, dining room. I love this kitchen island, it's so gorgeous.
I'll stay up here and
The dining room, and there's a window. There's lots of windows here. Super beautiful and bright. And then here is our little back deck. You know, the last time I was here, this looked smaller. It's actually not that small. So, got a couple steps down. Beautiful backyard. Guys, we're not going in the yard. So this is the color of our house. I don't know if you can see it because it's so bright, but it's like a grayish blue. Gray cabinets, which I love. Brand new appliances. Over here we have the half bath. So I like how there's just higher ceilings in this place. Just a simple little sink, little half bath. And then this is the fridge that comes, so these are all GE appliances that come with the house, which is awesome. Right here is the pantry. Pretty standard. Garage is in here. Let's go upstairs. We've got this really cute chandelier type thing. I don't know if that's a chandelier, it's just a nice light fixture. I don't know what you call that. But right when you walk up to the stairs, this is the loft area. It's not enclosed, it's just an open little loft area to watch movies. Got the laundry room right here. And then to the right is the master bedroom. And we've got the master bath. So we got the his and her sinks, still have a garden tub. We got this nice window, but it's textured so you can't see through it. The standing shower. And then there's this little nook for the toilet, which is pretty cool. And the closet. What is this? I don't know what that is. Oh, I see. I was like, what is that? All right, so over here, past the stairs, we've got the kids' bathroom. They've got a little window here. I know I'm like quickly running through this. Rooms is right here, and I like how they've got like this French door closet. And they each have a little nook and a window. So the other one is right here. With that little nook in the window. And the same closet doors. They're pretty much the same size rooms, but it's perfect.